Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect a headset to your Xbox One using USB, you might expect it to work instantly, but sometimes the console doesn't recognize it, which can be confusing. Unlike PCs, Xbox consoles only support certain USB audio devices, so not every headset will work just by plugging it in. This often leads users to think something is broken when it's actually a compatibility or settings issue. The good thing is that if your headset is supported, the setup is very simple, and with a few quick checks, you can get your audio working properly for both game sound and chat. Try these. Step 1. Plug your USB headset into one of the Xbox One USB ports. Step 2. Turn on your Xbox One console and headset. Step 3. Wait for the console to detect the headset automatically. Step 4. Go to Settings, then General, then Volume and Audio Output. Step 5. Set the headset as your audio and chat device. Step 6. Test game audio and microphone to confirm it's working.